Alright guys, what's up? Motogov here. We are now going to Forme Bike Point because last video I mentioned super vibey yung yung clip-ons. Yeah. And it turns out pag uwi ko, I checked na hindi pala nakakabit yung stock na handle bar ends. Stock na bar ends hindi pala nakakabit. So gagawa namin ng paraan ni Oms, or more like siya yung gagawa ng paraan dyan. Ako, I just sit there and watch how the pro does it. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to Forme Bike Point right now para to have the stock handlebars fit, because without those stock na bar ends fit, sorry, because without those bar ends super ma-vibrate yung yung clip-ons ko. So yeah, and by the way, papakabit din ako ng radiator guard, which is also an essential much needed part din yun, protection sa radiator from the talsik ng mga bato, lalo na't naka SC1 yung harap ko, so you know, rocks are gonna get thrown at the radiator, so just for protection lang. And yeah, ma-vibing nga talaga siya, no, yung clip-ons ko, especially at high na RPM. Nakaka-numb kasi yung vibration, so ang hirap magtagal sa isang session sa Clark na ito, lalo na puro high RPM, high speed. It kinda tickles, like it tickles. Hindi siya masakit na vibrate, pero it tickles a little bit sa palms ko, so obviously kailangan gawan ng paraan yan. It's really vibey. Okay, we are here in Oms World, aka Forme Bike Point, or Forma. Let's go, baby. Kumusta?
Sabi dyan?
Ano lang, papakabit lang ng radiator guard. Tapos sabi ni Oms, gagawin nila ng paraan yung bar ends na stock para magkasya sa aftermarket na clip-ons. Di kasi kasya yung bar ends ko eh. Okay. Dom, your bike is here again. Dok lang. Ewan ko lang papayos dyan. Regular din si Dom dito eh. Ito yung stock na bar end. Yon. Oh. Where's my phone? Daming alarms. Okay, we are done here sa Forme Bike Point, and we already have na the radiator guard. It's there, and the bar ends nakakabit na. So thank you Boss Oms and Kuya Neil. Thank you. Sama ka sa 28 truck kami, CIS Unggoy.
May track bike.
Kay Dom,
Krusty, baka tingnan natin kung maabot si Krusty.
turuan mo ako. Teach me the ways. Ang bagal ko na eh. Seat time lang, no? Focus
Corner. Yun ang sa mga smallest na nane-neglect ng mga track din. Bawat corner, treat nyo as talaga. Kung you take lightly. Kung akong naghahabol kayo ng oras, analyze nyo lagi lahat. Sequence, entry, during apex, pick up yung bike. Isa yan sa mga nakakalimutan.
Exit, no? Pick up.
Track riders na pagka entry, diba? Okay, lumalimingin. Nakababad.
Nakababad.
Ang laking bagay kaya pagka nag-pick up ng bike, ang laki na mawawala sa... Kasi, hindi ka makapag-gas.
Hindi makapagas. Naka full lean ka pa.
Naka-lean ka pa. Unnecessary na.
Unnecessary.
Pick up,
Sayang oras.
Parang umusan.
True. Siyempre. Matik na yan. Thank you bro ha.
Ingat.
Thank you. Yan, solid talaga si Oms. Solid din yun guys if you're also looking for, you know, track day advice, racing advice. You can just ask and you shall receive. Si Oms kasi you can ask Oms because, you know, he's a veteran talaga. He's like one of the OGs. So yeah, thank you Oms. Thank you for me bike point. Thank you. And uy, mas okay na yung vibrations ngayon guys. Hindi na halos very minimal na at this stage sa ganitong RPMs. Tingnan natin mamaya sa high RPM. Testing natin sa Quezon Ave kung dadaan tayo ng Quezon Ave or wherever man na may, you know, maluwag na kalsada. Pero yeah, ang laki ng difference ngayon. So, turns out kailangan lang nito is expansion screws. Yun lang pala kailangan para mag-fit yung stock bar ends. Okay, it feels a lot better. The vibrations much lesser na. Yeah, I really love the freaking clip-ons na angle. I feel at home. And the rear sets also, ang ganda ng setting ng rear set. It's my knees are nice and tucked on the gas tank now. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it. Ngayon pauwi na ako and I'll catch you on the next video because soon we'll be going to the track. Yes, may track day tayo guys. So new video coming up soon after this one. Sure na sure yan. And you know, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what type of content you want to see. You know, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you like my content, then show me some love, you know, show me some support. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. So, Motogov out. Charot. Motogov out. So, yeah, I'll see you on the next one.